Yeah, dude, I do. Give cops free housing. Take the single selected men and women out there, stick them in the fucking areas that you think are the most violent out there, and tell a cop it's going to be your 2-year service, right? So if we can't make it so that every police officer out there starts in corrections for 2 fucking years and learns how to deal with the human beings that are behind closed doors in the jail cells, then stick them in the fucking Comptons, the south side of Chicago's, and give them a massive, rapid fucking cultural immersion in what the black violent community, which is what you're talking about, truly is. Maybe instead of separating the fucking whites and sending them back to their ivory towers, or where there's a complete divide of, hey, I'm going to go patrol the black savage neighborhoods today, and then I'm going to go back to my fucking safe white neighborhood at the end of the night, so that the cops will always look at the fucking blacks as if they're savage criminals. Maybe if you forced police officers to live in these shitty fucking neighborhoods, it would change the lens, not in a progressive liberal way, but maybe it would change the lens of how they see these people as human fucking beings, and start to actually advocate for law enforcement that is more community service based than fucking punitive. And maybe you'd have cops stand in solidarity and look against the fucking government the way that things go now and say, hey, we actually have to have a real fucking change. And when force is used, you wouldn't have people out there crying that there was a bias. 100%. You want to create more human beings in the street who answer this calling, then have the fucking cops live with the criminals in the first place. Start there. 2 years. Do it.